darling, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Hayley and today we are going to be looking at the Lookfantastic The Box, and this is the December edition. What's in here? That's what it looks like. So what should we start with? This is the Gatineau Golden Glow Gradual Tan. Builds an effortless, natural and even tan formulated with coconut oil and vitamin E, and that's 75 ml. So I think you put that on your face. Is it for your face? Doesn't say. It says builds a luminous and natural looking sun-kissed glow, massaging circular motion onto clean and dry skin, paying attention to dry areas such as elbows and knees. Allowed to dry before putting clothes on. Thoroughly wash hands after use. So that is for your body. Let's have a smell. See if it smells. Oh yeah, it does smell lovely. I'll show you what it comes out like, but I better wash it off after, haven't I? Let's see. So there it is. You watch me get a brown patch because I'll forget. I'll have brown fingers and a brown hand. But it does feel really nice the way it's going on. And it smells nice as well. So, and it's gradual, so I haven't got to worry, have I? So there's that. And then what should we get? Should we get this this one here? This is Ren Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. So it's a little one. So that's probably just a little sample size. And there it is. Got a metal. How do I get it off? I don't know what I'm doing. Don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't even know how to get that out of there. Oh, is it coming out? No, it's not. It was coming out. It's not, and I don't know how to get the lid off. I don't know how to open that. It's childproof, look. I mean, do I snap it off? I've got no idea. To use, gently massage a small amount for a few minutes over dry face and closed eyes. Add warm water to emulsify and rinse thoroughly. Use with a damp sponge or muslin cloth in circular motions to remove all traces of makeup, SPF and pollution. But I don't know how to open it. Do you think I should try and snap it? Oh no, because it's metal. I have got no idea. Do you push it? No. I don't know how you're getting it. Can you believe that? Tube and reclosable break off nozzle. So I do break it off. Ready? Oh, do I? No, it's not doing it. Oh, I've done it, look. Oh, I'm thinking when you want to shut it, you probably put it in. You see how it was like that? And now I reckon you can you shove that in? Because I don't want it open. I can get it in, yeah. Weird, isn't it? Let's have a look at a bit of it. I'll do it on this hand. I don't want to like squeeze it all out. Oh, it's hard. You can hardly see it, can you? There it is. Let's give it a... Oh, it feels nice. I like the way that feels. That would be nice to use on your face. And it does smell pleasant. Yeah. So I'll have an interesting time using that. I've tried the Ren, what have I got? The Ren toner. It's the first time I've tried Ren and I love it. I love that toner. So I would like to try more things from Ren. So yeah, this is like oranges. It smells like oranges. But this, that doesn't smell like oranges. It's just got a really faint smell. but I really like the consistency of it, so I'll enjoy trying that. I'm going to put the thing in. Yeah, I guess that's how you store it. So, got there in the end, didn't I? What is it with me? Right, let's see what's next. I think I know what this is. This is the Moroccan oil, and I love this Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. So, got some of that. Good stuff this is, isn't it? And so this is 10ml. So you got one of those. I'll use that. Defo. And then what's this? I'm going to get this thing here. Oops. This is the Onyx. I think you say Onyx, don't you? N-U-X-E. So it's the Onyx Huile Prodigies. Huile Prodigies Floral. I think that's how you say it. And it says multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair. Oh, so I'll put some on my hair. It looks pretty, doesn't it? Look at that. I'll put a bit on my skin to show you. Well, it's very runny. I can see it's really runny in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look. Don't know. Oh, I'm scared to tip it out. I'll put a bit here. Ready? See, that just flew out. Oh, does it come like that with everything? You know, like when you get full size, I mean. Does it come like that when it's full size, or does it dispense out? Has it got a better way of dispensing? Because that's a bit scary, that, isn't it? That's what it looks like. So I'm going to put a bit here. Oh yeah, I can see a sheen in that. It does look nice. Is that bit I've got there? No, I think that's a bruise. Oh, it smells gorgeous. That's just sold that to me. Oh, I love it. Get it in my hair. My hair's gone flat today. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, I love it. I love it. I really like that. Can I see any? Does it look any different? I don't know, but I know it. I can see it's got a sheen to it. See a lovely sheen. So yeah, I'll use it. I don't know if I'll buy a big one. I'll see how I get on. I might buy it just because it smells really good. Oh, don't mind having that at all. That is lovely. Right, so what's next? Oh, got a red nail polish. Let's see. Be your incredible self. So it's like ink, like nails ink. Be your incredible self. And what is this one called? Does it say on it? St. James. So that one's called St. James. And I think that's full size, isn't it? So yeah, you've got a St. James nail polish. Shall we have a look? Oh, I can't get it open. It's all those things I've got on myself, isn't it? So that'll be lovely to use. I'll try it. I've got like 3 red nail polishes now. I do like putting red on my toes, but I don't always have it on my nails because they always chip. Mine chip really quickly, my nails do, even though I use a lamp, but this one's not for a lamp. So I tend to use the ones that are not for a lamp on my toes. And then I use the lamp, the gel nail polishes on my nails. So, but I'll use that on my toes. It'll look really cute. I've just seen this has got a shimmer in it. And I like that even more now. So I probably will put that on my nails. I like a cream, but I like shimmer more. So I might put that on my nails. I think that looks lovely. You can just see a subtle shimmer in it. You can't really see it unless you look really close. But I'm going to try that out on my nails. It's going to look pretty for Christmas. And then what else? We've got 2 more things. This one. What is this? Super Dewy. Oh, Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Blush. So I'll open that. And what's the shade called? Flushing For You. There's what that looks like. Oh, it's a bit like that. This one. Isn't it? Let's hope I don't struggle with that. Let's see. No, that's much easier. So there's the nozzle. And I'll do it here to show you. Oh, excuse you. There's what it looks like. Have I got the right light? Never got the right light, have I? Let's see. Is that better? I look a bit blue. I think I'll just keep it like that. So there's the flushing for you. Let's give it a little rub in. So there that is. Let's do a bit over here. So you can make it really sheer. Yeah, that's pretty. Let me see if it looks better in a different light. I think, am I supposed to have that light? So there's flushing for you. A nice peachy. It's a peach, like a red toned peach. That's what I think of when I see it. Looks like a reddy peach. So there's that. And then the last thing is, what have we got here? Uriage, I think, is that how you say it? Uriage Eau Thermale Cica Daily. Is that how you say it, Cica? I had Cica Paste from Liz Earle and I absolutely loved it. So I don't know what this one's like. Repairing gel cream. Regenerates, strengthens the skin barrier and soothes. So is that for anywhere on your body? It says the Uriage thermal water is enriched during a long journey through rocky layers. Pure and natural, it strengthens the skin barrier. Its unique concentration of minerals and trace elements provides a moisturising, protective and soothing, scientifically proven properties. Have I just read that right? Our dermatological laboratories encapsulate its benefits within skin ranges that protect all skin types every day. Oh, it says repairing gel cream, uneven skin texture, dehydration lines. I suppose that's what it's for. And it says an ultra fresh antioxidant gel cream that reinforces the skin's defences for a refined skin texture and a healthy glowy skin. Apply morning and evening to the face after your serum. So this is like the last thing in your skincare regime. A face cream. Let's have a look. It said gel cream, so I was excited when I heard that. So this is 40ml. 40ml. Let's open it and see. Oh, that's got a nozzle. They've gone a bit nozzle mad, haven't they, this time? Everything's got a nozzle. Let's put it here. Is that one? Oh no, I didn't have the... I'll put it here. Oh yeah, like that. Let's rub it in. Oh, that's really nice and light. I think I'm going to love that on my face. Because I've got oily skin. See, all I can smell is the Onyx. What's it? Onyx. Onyx Wheel Prodigies. I really like that though. But yeah, that's all I can smell. I can't smell it. I really want to smell it. Let's do it here. Let's do it here. I might be able to smell it there. And I'll use use my ring finger. I don't want to rub it with the other fingers, what have been... I don't think there's any smell, in case you're worried about any smells. I don't think it's got a smell. Can't smell anything. But I am going to use that because that's very lightweight. That's just right for my oily skin, I think. I say oily. It's like, it's normal combination oily. It goes that sort of, it's that sort of thing. Like I'm normal here and then I'm oily in the T-zone. So I think that'd be good for me. So that was all the products in the box. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a like and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.